Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Walmart Marketplace affiliate reporting for US traffic, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Walmart Marketplace website. Log in to your Walmart seller account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Reports section on the dashboard. Click on Reports to access available reporting options. Locate the Affiliate Reports subsection within the Reports area. Select the affiliate traffic report you wish to download. Choose the date range for the data you want to retrieve. You may have options to filter by affiliates or other parameters. After making your selections, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the system to process your request. Once the report is ready, you will see a download link appear. Click on the download link to save the report to your device. Open the downloaded file using your preferred software. Now you can analyze the data as needed. Remember to regularly check for new reports to stay updated. That's it, you've successfully downloaded Walmart Marketplace affiliate reporting for US traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are active. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.